Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to study the projection of points and to determine the projection of points or to draw the projection of points, first of all I am giving you the problem statement. Okay, so again the text command because I need to write down the problem. Okay, so here I need to write down the problem, the text, and the point spacing is basically height is 0.2 and rotation angle is 0, right? So here draw the projection of point A, which is 50 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. So this particular problem statement we have to draw, right? And this can be done by the commands like line, right? So I am first of all I am drawing the line, right? So that is the reference line. So this is basically the reference line I am using for your understanding, and this is XY line basically, as you know that. And first of all I am defining the views, right? So again I am going into the text command, right? Here I need to write something, right? And the height will be 0.2 again, and rotation angle will be 0. So whenever you need to write down a text on the grid lines, you need to repeat the same steps again and again. So this is my VP, and in VP I am going to draw front view, right? This is my HP, that is horizontal plane, and here I am going to draw top view, right? And this is my XY reference line, right? This is my XY reference line. So first of all you need to draw this, then you need to read down the problem. Draw the projection of point A, which is 50 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. So there is a point A which is 50 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. So in the front view you will get a point, right? So you will get a point which is 50 mm above HP, right? So you need to draw 50 mm above XY line. So to draw that, you first have to select the line, and this is the basically the projection. Okay, so draw the one projection line, right? And in this particular line you need to select the point. So point for that, let's check whether the PD mode command is on or not. So it is 50 mm above HP, means 2 grid spacing above HP, right? So this is now you can able to see. I don't know whether you can able to see or not, right? So again I am repeating the same command. Okay, PD mode, that is 3, and PD size for point 1, right? So now you can see I have selected the point, and the point A is 75 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means you will get this his view on horizontal plane, right? So on the same projection line you need to draw one point, right, which is 75 mm below in front of VP. So one spacing, two spacing, three spacing. So this is what the projection of points. And then what you need to do, you need to write down the text. Again the text, here I need to write down the text, that is point A. Okay, and its space height will be 0.2 and the rotation angle will be 0, right? So now you can see here I can write down A, A dash. Whenever in the front view you need to define anything, you need to write down by dash, and here A, right? And I need to project this particular line, as this is the projection line. Okay, so here I am converting it into a cyan color. So this is basically the solution for the projection of point, which is 50 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. So now we need to give the dimensions, whether our dimensions are correct or not. So go to dimensions, select align, right, and click here, click here. So you can see this is 50 mm above HP, right? And again click here and click here this particular point, and you can see So just put escape, right? Just go on selecting, sorry, dimensions, align, right? Click on XY point intersection and this particular point. So you can see this is 75 mm in front of BP, right? And then just press escape. You have to convert these dimensions into cyan color. So the projection line dimensions always you have to convert into cyan colors, right? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.